Welcome to NK Creative YouTube channel. Today we are going to see some current affairs on March 12th. Let's start with first question. The CISF celebrates its Foundation Day on March 10th every year. In 2021, which edition of the Foundation Day was observed? Answer is D. 52nd. The CAF is the Central Industrial Security Force. Rising Day is observed on March 10th in every year. In 2021, nation is celebrating the 22nd Rising Day of CISF. Let's move to the second question. Muhammad Yusufu has won the 2020 Ibrahim Prize for Achievement in African Leadership. He is the president of which country? Answer is Niger. Muhammad Yusuf, the incumbent president of Niger, has won the 2020 Ibrahim Prize for Achievement in African Leadership, the world's largest leadership prize, worth $5 million. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Which country have signed MOU to jointly set up International Scientific Lunar Station ISLS, a lunar space station on Moon? Answer is option E, Russia and China. The Space Agency of China and Russia have signed a memorandum of understanding on behalf of their nation governments to jointly construct a lunar space station that will be open to all countries. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the panel of external auditor of the United Nations for the year of 2021? Answer is A. Girish Chandra Murmu. Controller and Auditor General of India CAG Girish Chandra Murmu has been reappointed as the chairman of the panel of external auditor of the United Nations for the year of 2021. Question number 5. Shrikant Moge, who has passed away recently, was a renowned theatre and film actor from which film industry? Answer is B. Marathi. The Marathi stage and film actor Shrikant Moge has passed away in Pune after suffering from age-related ailments. Question number 6. Who among the following has been named as the ICC Men's Player of the Month for February 2021? Answer is D. Ravichandran Ashwin. The Team India Premier of Spinner Ravichandran Ashwin has been named as the ICC Men's Player of the Month of February 2021. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Which bank has topped the list of digital payment scorecard released by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (MITI)? Answer is C. State Bank of India. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has released the list of digital payment scorecard. In the list, the State Bank of India has topped for the third consecutive month. Next question, question number 8. President Ramnath Kovind presented a baton of honor to whom recently? Answer is B. Kiran Bedi. The President Ramnath Kovind presented a baton of honor and a letter of appreciation to former Puducherry Lieutenant Governor Kiran Bedi at Rashtrapati Bhavana on Monday. The appreciation letter recognized Bedi's service in Puducherry. Question number 9. International Federation of Film Achievers (FIAF) will confer the prestigious 2021 FIAAF award to whom? Answer E. Amitabh Bachchan. The International Federation of Film Achievers and Worldwide Organization of Film Achieves and museums from across the globe will confer the prestigious 2021 FIAF award to Amitabh Bachchan at a virtual showcase on March 19, 2021. Question number 10. The Reserve Bank of India has removed dash from its enhanced regulatory supervisions or promote corrective action PCA framework. Answer is C. IDBI Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has removed IDBI Bank from its enhanced regulatory supervision or prompt corrective action framework. Question number 11. Who among the following Bollywood actors recently joined the list of the young global leaders compiled by the World Economic Forum? Answer is D. Deepika Padukone. Actor Deepika Padukone has joined the list of the young global leader YGLS compiled by the World Economic Forum. Question number 12. Name the joint military exercise between India Uzbekistan recently held in Chubitia Ranikhet in Uttarakhand. Answer is A. Dustlik 2. The India Uzbekistan jointly military exercise Dustlik 2 has commenced in foreign training node Chubitia Ranikhet in Uttarakhand. Question number 13. Tammy Buttman has been named as the ICC Women's Player of the Month February 2021. She played for which country? Answer is A. England. In women's category, England Tammy Buttman has been adjudged the ICC Women's Player of the Month of February. Question number 14. Which of the following one is the first satellite mission to use two different radar frequency L-band and S-band to measure change in our planet surface less than a centimeter across? Answer is NISAR. NASA ISRO SAR. NISAR is a joint collaboration for a dual frequency L and S band SAR for Earth observation. NISAR will be the first satellite mission to use two different radar frequency L band and S band to measure changes in our planet surface less than a centimeter across. Question number 15. Dash has launched a range of wearable contactless payment device under the brand Wear N Pay. Answer is D. Axis Bank. Axis Bank has launched a range of wearable contactless payment device under the brand Wear N Pay. Thank you.